So guys, welcome back to the channel. We just drove up to Orlando and met up with a couple people, and I haven't washed my truck yet, and it is absolutely filthy. Well, as you can see, that's disgusting. This is nasty. You can see the top of the truck. There's all little black spots coming off. Wheels are dirty, like absolutely filthy. It's pretty cool. And then this is pretty filthy too. So I think it's time to wash this thing. But man, this thing is absolutely, absolutely filthy. Just as a reference on how dirty these things are, you can see that these are basically gray. They're dirty. We gotta rinse this bitch off and it's gonna be clean. That's black. And that's gray. And just in being washed, there's a reflection again. Whew. So the pickup truck is only washed and then I clayboard it. But man, does this thing look good. Holy bejeebus. Oh my God. So I'm starting to polish this thing right now. I haven't even done the door or anything. I just did the hood and it looks great. But I've always had these fucking swirl marks all across here. I don't know if you can see it, yeah. Yeah, you can see all in the paint up here. Oh, it gets real bad right there. I'm gonna try to take this out. See what happens. Yo, this 17-year-old paint is popping, dude. Look at this. Look at it. I see a damn tree. It's right there. Look how nice that is. Damn. Oh my God. Maybe you'll see it better on this one. Right along here. You can see how it's all like foggy. It's always been like that since I've had the truck. I think I've been getting it out. And now, oh my God. You can still see the swirl marks a little bit, but like those are like in there. But man, it's way better. This is a good one too, right here. See if I can get this out. This is South Florida weather for you. I knew it was gonna rain today, but I thought I had more time. So I'm trying to dry everything back off. But it looks great.